Hello children, again I have come back with the maths video that is about fractions. Children, this video already have uploaded properties of fractions and fractions, but those videos are with activities and fun. Now here also I am going to teach you the same way but little bit. Here I will concentrate on the sums which are difficult for you. So on your children's demand only, I am again making this fractions video. So we'll go from simple to complex, that is from basic, little bit basic, right? So now look here. Here just observe if I am making two circles and see I am dividing into four equal parts, and here there are no equal parts, right? So focus on equal part, and here unequal. That means they are not equal, right? So now look here. You must be aware about pizza. Everybody like pizza. I have made pizza like this just for your fun to understand easily, right? So now there are four pizzas. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now focus on equal parts. So for first pizza, equal parts 4. Second also 4 equal parts. Third also 4 equal parts. Fourth also 4 equal parts. Right? So now here I made 4 parts, equal parts. Now from first pizza, I will have one part, one piece. That means whatever parts you are sharing or you are eating in the case of pizza. So that much here I have taken one part. So that one I am writing on the numerator. Now children, here this is called numerator, and down 4 number where I have made the 4 equal parts, that would be your denominator, which you must be aware of that. So 1 upon 4, right? So how will I read this? It would be 1/4. Your 4 will be in your ordinal numbers and 1 is your cardinal number. Now here in second figure, second pizza, out of 4, I ate 2 pieces. That means almost half. So here 2. So 2 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 2. That is 1/2. So here you will read as 1/2. Now in third figure, out of 4 parts, I had 3 pieces. That is 3 upon 4. So how will you read it? 3/4. 3/4. And here out of 4 pieces, I had all 4 pieces. That means 4 upon 4. Now here focus children. Here 4 upon 4. When same numbers are there in the numerator and in the denominator, that means it becomes 1. So that is called 1 whole. Whole pizza I had, right? 1 entire. So 1 whole. So that means your fractions is nothing but a fraction is a part of a whole. Right? This is the definition of a fraction. So equal parts, focus on that, and a fraction is a part of a whole. Right? So that way you will focus it. Now 1/4 means 1/4. 2/4, that is 1/2 means 2 quarters. Make half pieces, right? Make half. Then here 3/4. 3/4, that means 3/4 part. Here it is 4 quarters. Make 1 whole. Right? So this way you should know. This might ask in your school mental maths, filling the blanks. So for your knowledge, I am just informing you about this. This is the basic thing. Now here your heading will be what is or find. And your question is 1/2 of 60. So how will you solve this? You have to find. You must be wondering what we have to find. That means 1/2 of means always multiplication sign and 60. Now children, keep in your mind, where there is no denominator, you have to consider 1 as the denominator. So here, now see the cancellation in 2 table when 60 comes. So it is 2 ones are 2 and 32s are 60. And numerator multiplication is 30 ones are 30 and denominator is 1 ones are 1. When your denominator is 1, that means your numerator is a whole number. So your answer is 30. So this way you have to solve what is or find. Clear? Now suppose your sum is like this. 2/3 of 1/515. How will you read this fraction? 2/3. As I told you, in fraction, how will you read? Numerator in cardinal number and denominator in ordinal number. So it is 2/3 of 15, which is equal to 2/3 of means multiplication and 15. Now no denominator, consider 1 as the denominator. Now here in 3 table, children, one thing, you can cancel numerator and denominator numbers only. You cannot cancel numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. Only ups and down, numerator and denominator. So 3 ones are 3. 3 table when 15 comes 5. Now in the numerator 2 5s are 10 and in the denominator 1 ones are 1. When there is 1 as a denominator, your numerator answer will be 10, which is a whole number. So this is your final answer. So this way you are solving what is or find. Now suppose your sum is like this. 1/3 of a dozen. So you get confused. Oh my God, only one fractional number is this. Where is another number? So you should know 1 dozen makes 12 pieces, right? So 12 number. So 1/3 of means multiplication, dozen means 1/12. Consider 1 is the denominator. In 3 table, 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12, 4 ones are 4, 1 ones are 1. 1 is the denominator, that means your answer is 4 whole number. Understood? Fractions on a number line. Now your question is 1, 3, 1/3 and 2/3. You have to show this fraction on a number line. So how will you show? So you are making 0 and here it would be 1. Now 1, 3. You know that same numerator and same denominator number makes 1 whole. So that means here 3 is the denominator in both the fractional number. So here I want 1 whole. So this fractional number will be 3/3. Then only it would be 1 is the whole number. Right? So if this is 3/3, then equal parts, this would be 2/3 and this would be 1/3 and this would be 0/3. So I have to show these 2 on the number line. So this way I will show on the number line by writing this way fractional number. Only you should know same numerator and same denominator number will make 1 whole. That much you should know. So this way we can show the fractional number on the number line. Now I will teach you types of fraction. Now look here. Here I am trying to teach you with this pizza. So now here children, I made 8 equal parts of pizza. There are 2 pizzas. In both the pizzas I made 8 equal parts. Right? Now from here, if I add 1 piece of pizza, 1 part, that will come in the numerator. And from this pizza, if I take any 2 pieces, now here observe the 2 fractional number. Here 1 upon 8, here 2 upon 8. So out of it 1 part, out of it 2 parts. What is common in between these two fractional numbers? Yes, your denominators are common. That is 8 is the denominator because I made 8 equal parts. So that 8 equal common number is your 8. So this is nothing but they are called like fractions. That means in the fractional numbers, if your denominators are same, it is known as like fractions. Suppose you can take 3 same size of dairy milk chocolate, right? Now you are making the equal parts of that. Suppose 5 equal parts, right? Everywhere you made 5 equal parts. Here you had taken 1 part, here you have taken 2 parts, and here you have taken 3 parts. So this is 1/5, 2/5, 3/5. But what is common in this 3 fractional number? Yes, your denominator is same. So same denominator fractional number is your like fraction. Now suppose this way I am making. So here I made 3 parts, here I made 2 parts, and here I made 5 parts. Out of this I am shading 1 part, here also 1 part, here suppose 3 parts. So what is common? Nothing is common. Your denominators are different. So different denominators make unlike fractions. That means your denominators are different. They are known as unlike fractions. And when your denominators are same, they are known as like fraction. Now here I am making circle, here triangle, here like sandwich. So here I am making 2 parts. Here suppose I am making 5 parts. And here I am making 4 parts. Right? So out of 4, I am shading 1. Here out of 5 also I am shading 1. Here out of 2 also I am shading 1. Now what is common in this? Yes, here denominators are different, but your numerator is same, and that is 1. 1 common numerator. When your numerator is common, that is only one number. So what type of fraction they are known as? They are known as unit fractions. They are known as unit fraction. What is called unit fraction? When your numerator is 1. In all the fractions your numerator is one number, they are known as unit fractions. Now suppose I am writing any number 2 upon 3, 5 upon 7 and etc. Observe the numbers, fractional number. Nothing is common. Only you can observe this is numerator and denominator this is. So look at the numbers in the numerators 3, 2, 5. Look at the numbers in the denominators 4, 3, 7. So here 3 is less than 4, 2 is less than 3, 5 is less than 7. That means whenever your numerator is less than denominator, they are known as proper fractions. Right? So what do you mean by proper fractions? When numerator is less than denominator, they are known as proper fractions. Now here 5 upon 2, 7 upon 6, 3 upon 2. That means 5 is bigger than 2, 7 is bigger than 6, 3 is bigger than 2. These all 5, 7, 3s are in the numerator and 2, 6, 2 are in the denominator. So when your numerator is bigger than denominator, then it is improper fraction. It is known as improper fractions. Now look here. Suppose I am drawing again a diagram. I made 3 equal parts. I shaded all 3. That means 3 upon 3, it becomes 1. One whole. Same numerator, same denominator makes one whole. And now here I made 3 equal parts. But out of that I am shading only 1. So if I want to add these two figures, So my answer will be 1 because 3 upon 3 makes 1 whole. So 1 plus 1 upon 3. That means 1 whole figure, 1 fractional figure, when I am adding those two, it becomes, I am adding, that means mixing. So they are known as mixed fraction. So this I will write 1 integer 1 upon 3. 1 integer, this I have to read, 1 whole number means 1 integer 1 upon 3. This is nothing but this is your mixed fraction. Now I am teaching you when your improper fractions are there, how you have to convert into mixed fraction. Suppose your improper fractions are 5 upon 2, 9 upon 7. So you have to always convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. Improper means your numerator is bigger than the denominator. So 5 upon 2, that means you will divide 5 by 2, 2 2s are 4, your remainder is 1. How will you write in a mixed fraction? So your divisor will be 2, your quotient will be 2 and your remainder will be 1. So you will write 2 integer 1 upon 2. Now this way I have shown you, but you can do it directly. Now in 7 table, 7 ones are 7 plus 2. So this way you have to directly write the mixed fraction from the improper fraction. So how will you read it? 9 upon 7. When you convert it to improper, it would be 1 integer 2 upon 7. So this way you are converting the fraction from improper to mixed number. Next is equivalent fractions. Next is equivalent fraction. Now look here. I made 4 equal parts and with the same here as I have shown you 8 equal parts of one pizza. Here 4 equal parts of pizza. Here if I am taking 3 upon 4, right? So here what I will take? How many parts? 6. Oh, 5, 6. Now you will be wondering, that means 3 upon 4 and 6 upon 8. How come they are equal? I'll show you. Now always whenever fractions, you should always bring it to lowest term. So its lowest term means here also even number, here also even number. So even number always divide by 2. In the fraction, you have to multiply numerator and denominator by same number and you have to divide numerator and denominator by the same number. So when both the numbers are even, I have divided by 2. So 2 3s are 6 and 2 4s are 8. So my this answer is 3 upon 4 and my this answer is also 3 upon 4. So this means they are equivalent fractions. Understood? Now if it is asked, find 3 equivalent fractions of 3 upon 7. So how will you find? So take 3 upon 7 in the numerator table of 3, in the denominator table of 7. So 3 ones are 3, 7 ones are 7, it is already there. Now what will you do? You will multiply 3 up by 2, multiply 7 also by 2. It would be 3 2s are 6 and 7 2s are 40. That way you are finding the equivalent fraction. But it is asked to find 3. So now again 3 2s are done, 3 3s are 9, 7 3s are 21. So it is 9 upon 21. One more, 3 4s are 12, 7 4s are 28. So it would be 12 upon 28. So what are the 3 equivalent fractions of 3 upon 7? It is 6 upon 14, 9 upon 21 and 12 upon 28. So this way you are finding the equivalent fractions. If it is more than 3, continue multiplying by 5, 6, 7 and so on. Suppose it is given 3 upon 6 and here it is given 60. and here you have to find out the missing number. So how will you find out? Simple, 3 upon 6. Now here 60 answer is given. In 6 table when 60 comes, 6 tens are. Then only you are getting 60. So both numerator and denominator multiplied by same number. So here also 10. So it is 3 tens are. So this answer is 30. This way you have to find out the missing number for equivalent fraction. Now suppose your question is check whether 7 upon 9 and 21 upon 18 are equivalent or not. Your question is like that. So in that case, how will you find out? So in that case, simple thing, you have to do the cross multiplication of both the fractions. So first number is equal to 7 into 18, which is equal to 126. And your second number is, this is your first number. And your second number is 21 into 9, which is equal to 189. Now you check, this 126 is not equal to 189. They are different. So these fractions are, so the fractions are not equivalent. If both the side your answer is same, then they are said to be equivalent fractions. So this is the just basic things in this video. There would be 3 or 4 videos of fractions which will cover your till division fraction sums, so that it will be very easy to understand. Children, whenever you are watching my video, please keep your notebook and pen ready so that you can pause it and you can again watch it and practice it. That way only you will know how to solve the fraction sums. This way. So if you like my video, please like it, share it, subscribe it, and please watch full video to make your concept clear. Thank you.